Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is CeoTrades, where money works for you. Thank you for joining us. We hope that you get out of this program something that's very important. Why? Yesterday we talked about what are 5 long-term crypto that I'm investing in right now. And today what we're looking at is those same 5 crypto, but catalysts, reasons why I would invest in them and you should consider investing them. So here we go. Number 1 is ADA Cardano. Why ADA Cardano matters? Because it differs from competition in many ways. And like competition, Cardano depends heavily on the academic sector. The platform's design was built from the ground up, utilizing evidence-based methods grounded in scientific philosophy, academic theory, and finalized via peer-reviewed research. Cardano's developers seek to provide the world's unbanked population access to financial services. Did you know that there are at least 1.7 billion people who have no money in the banks because they're afraid or they don't know enough about it? Cardano is here to help stabilize the DApp sector, seeks to restore trust in global economic system via the integration of Cardano technologies. ADA Cardano, very important in my portfolio. You should consider researching so that you know if it's worthwhile for you. Link, Chainlink is its actual name, is coin. Chainlink coin is priced right. Why is it priced right? Well, most coins like Bitcoin are priced in the 5-digit price range. Ethereum is pretty much in the 4-digit price range, and there are a few in the 3-digit price range, and then everything else is considered a penny stock, 2-digit range and below. And where does Chainlink fall into this? It's in the 2-digit range right now. You should be aware that Link has a strong correlation with Bitcoin, and that makes it so popular. When you average out the pricing on a quarterly basis, the two crypto assets share nearly 83% correlation coefficient. What does this mean? What is 83% correlation coefficient? It means if Bitcoin goes up 200% on a quarterly basis, Link will most probably go up 200%. What's the average of that happening? It's 83% out of 100% of the time. That is the way that Link correlates to Bitcoin. Basically, as one goes up, so does the other, but it applies in the other direction as well. That's right. They could go down simultaneously. The next one is XRP Ripple. Ripple is a payment platform based on open source protocol. Like all other virtual currencies, it uses blockchain technology for faster cross-border transactions. Over the past few months, the reliability, security, and scalability of this platform has made it one of the top payment platforms in cryptocurrency in the world. Ripple's payment protocol processes the cross-border transaction in just 3 seconds. The professional team behind Ripple has invented many blockchain-based solutions. These include cryptocurrency, XRP, Xcurrent application for banks, XRapid for payment processors, and XVIA for businesses. XRP has had a lot of legal issues. However, in the long term, we feel confident that XRP will come out on top with some sort of agreement and stipulation to be able to continue the progress that it has already had. There are many, many people waiting on it to bank on it. So I expect XRP to move for the long term. Ethereum, ETH. Ethereum is not a cryptocurrency. It's a global computer for running decentralized apps. Decentralized apps, DApps. Get used to hearing this acronym because it's very important. DApps. A lot of the applications that are out there in the crypto world are decentralized. Either ETH is a cryptocurrency that powers the Ethereum network, and it's the required form of payment for running your app or processing your transaction on the highly desired Ethereum blockchain. There are a lot of different cryptos that use the Ethereum platform to make payments, to make transactions, and so on. And another thing to note is Ethereum 1.0, which is what we're talking about right now, will soon merge with Ethereum 2.0, making it more powerful when it merges. Bitcoin, BTC, which is one of the original coins that started off everything. Supporters see cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin as a currency of the future and are racing to buy them now. That's right. There's a huge race to buy them now. And as it goes up, more people want to buy because they have the fear of missing out, also known as FOMO, FOMO, presumably before they become more valuable. Some supporters like the fact that cryptocurrency removes central banks from managing the money supply, since over time, these banks tend to reduce the value of money via inflation. These are my 5 long-term picks, but I also want to be clear that as much as people want to make money going up, there is also a chance to make money going down. And there's also a chance of losing money if you take it out too early. But in the long run, you should be able to make some money. Another thing is, if you follow some of my videos, I'll show you how to benefit in different ways on returns from these cryptocurrencies, because there's more than one way to make money, and you should be aware of them one at a time. Once you become an expert in one, then you move on to the next one. This is CeoTrades. Are you investing in your knowledge account? Because if you want your money account to grow, then you've got to invest in knowledge. Make sure you do the research, your due diligence, so that you become a well-rounded investor. Stay safe, and until the next one, this is CeoTrades, where money works for you.